family. My uncle died last month and left his house to me and my cousins equally. We were all devastated, but grateful he thought of us. Then my aunt brought her new boyfriend, Derek, to the funeral. This guy had the audacity to ask me about the property value while we were still at the cemetery. I pulled my aunt aside and warned her about him, but she brushed me off, saying I was being dramatic. The next day, Derek showed up at my apartment uninvited. He walked right in and started measuring my living room with his phone. When I asked what he was doing, he said he was helping my aunt plan the estate division. I called my cousin Mike immediately. Derek had been at his place too, taking photos of his car and asking about his job salary. Mike said Derek had a notebook full of details about our family's finances. My cousin Sarah called crying. Derek had cornered her asking about her student loans and credit card debt. Derek started showing up everywhere we went. At the grocery